6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you're like us, you're probably not too happy with the Godzilla-size kidney grille that the BMW M3 and M4 Competition wear. However, look at the 2022 BMW M4 Competition convertible X-Drive and your opinions might change. The grille is growing on us, and the topless profile certainly helps the two-door achieve a sportier, more appealing look. If you still can't get over the front end, then how does a twin turbocharged i6 with 503 horsepower and 479 pounds-to-foot of torque sound? Or maybe the fact that BMW expects this topless wonder to hit 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds? See, we're already starting to forget about the grille. Like the regular BMW 4 Series convertible, the Competition gets a soft top that's said to be 40% lighter than its predecessor's retractable hardtop. The new roof lowers the center of gravity and improves its agility, according to BMW. The automaker also says the soft top is made with acoustic and thermal elements to make the ride more enjoyable should you drive with the top on. Available in black or moonlight black, which has a shimmering effect, the soft top is said to reduce wind noise in the cabin while optimizing aerodynamics. Opening and closing the roof takes 18 seconds and can be done at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. The soft top also uses less space in the cargo area, which leaves 9.0 cubic feet of usable space, an increase of 1.2 cubic feet over the previous M4 convertible. Mechanically, the M4 Competition convertible is exactly the same as the coupe hardtop. The 8-speed automatic is in charge of sending power to all four wheels, as the topless is only available with all-wheel drive. However, the Active M differential, which comes standard, is able to split the torque depending on the drive mode that's selected. 4WD is the default setting and sends more torque to the rear axle than the front, while the 4WD Sport mode tunes up the experience. The 2WD mode sends all the torque to the rear wheels, with the system turning off all the nannies. Like its hardtop siblings, the 4-seater convertible rides on 19-inch front and 20-inch rear wheels wrapped around performance tires. The setup button on the center console allows the driver to choose between 7 powertrain and chassis settings that change the behavior of the car. The 2022 BMW M4 Competition convertible X-Drive will begin production in September, with prices starting at $87,295.